Federal High Court in Abuja has fixed September the 7th for hearing in the lawsuit filed by the suspended President of the Court of Appeal, Justice Ayo Salami, against the National Judicial Council over his removal from office. Justice Donatus Okorowa fixed the date after lawyer to the National Judicial Council, Mr. Aliyu Saki, told the court that he was briefed about the case late on Tuesday and needed time to study the court papers. The absence of the other defendants in the suit also prevented lawyer to Justice Salami, Mr. Akin Olujimi, from persuading the court to commence proceedings because they have not been served with the court papers.
The expected legal fireworks to overturn the suspension of President of the Court of Appeal, Justice Ayo Salami, from office could not hold because some of the defendants are yet to be served the court papers. Only a few lawyers were in court when the case was called by court officials. Lawyer to Justice Salami, Chief Akin Olujimi, persuaded the court to open proceedings in the lawsuit seeking to void the suspension of his clients from office. He told the court that the action of the National Judicial Council suspending Justice Salami has grossly violated his rights, having filed a suit against the council, which has been acknowledged by the council.
The NJC has not done proper thing. They ought to have accepted service for all the others. Why accept service for themselves alone and then leaving these other defendants? They asked to do certain things for them. But that will not, of course, deter us. We will bring motion, praying the court for an order to serve them by any of the various means. We can serve by substitution.
The attempt by Chief Olujimi to persuade the court to commence the case was opposed by the lawyer to the National Judicial Council, Mr. Aliyu Saki, who told the court that he was briefed about the suit less than 24 hours before the court's proceedings. Mr. Seki asked for a short adjournment, saying there was no evidence before the court that the other parties have been served with the court processes as they were not represented in court.
The matter came up for mention, and like you heard in court, only the first to fourth defendants have been served with the processes of the court. Second to fourth defendants were not represented today, but I came in for the first defendant. The court has ordered that the processes be served on the remaining defendant.
With an admission by the litigant that some of the parties have not been served, Justice Donatus Okorowa adjourned the suit to the 7th of September and ordered that fresh hearing notice be served on all the defendants before the next adjourned date. Named as co-defendants in the suits are Justice Aloysius Katsina Ali, Justice Dahiru Mustafa, and 8 other members of the National Judicial Council.